Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about American Airlines. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your